fox emerges a little shy. His brothers come up to him sneaking from behind. They jump and play and have a great time. Alright, so I'm starting off with this wood log piece that I got from the park, and then I'm going to be using this. It is a wooden tea light holder, but what I'm going to do is turn it around and I'm going to use it as a tree trunk. So I'm just going to place that there in the center, and you can of course glue these down. The next thing I'm going to be using is this fox figurine ornament, and I got this from Poundland. So this is going to be the main focus, and then the rest is just going to be really easy. I'm just going to decorate it with lots of natural goodies that I've got from the park. I've got some flowers, some pine cones, some leaves. So I'm going to place the fox just beside the tree trunk, and I've got my hot glue on ready to stick everything down. I'm going to start with some moss all around the base. I'm going to take this big pine cone and place it just behind the fox. Then I've got this dried out plant that I took from the park, and I'm going to place that here. And look at these really look like pumpkins. They look like miniature ones, and they are actually real vegetables that have been dried out. I can't remember what you call them, but I did get them on eBay. So I'm going to place one big one here, and then some smaller ones, maybe one here. Stick a smaller pine cone here. I've got this bag of artificial acorns as well. I can leave the link for these in the description box. I'm using these dried out orange flowers as well. I'm going to just poke that in right here. Coming over to the back here, I'm going to take some of these and I'm going to hot glue them at different lengths. For the final touch, I'm going to add one red mushroom right here with my hot glue. And this is the finished project. How quick and easy was that to make? It was really simple, but I think it's effective. It's really cute and I'm really happy with how it came out. This is my first autumn DIY for this year, so I hope that you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.